Alright, here we go. It's Tuesday at noon. So I'm doing the Tuesday tune at noon here at Schlegel Bicycles. We're here at 900 North Broadway in Oklahoma City, Automobile Alley. We're right across the street from Hideaway, and we got all kinds of stuff over here. We've got the S&Bs, we've got Iguana, we've got the Oma Greek Kitchen if they'll ever get open back here, back behind us. But today, it's just a deal that's customers kind of waiting on it. So, this is something I can do pretty quick. It's just riding along, and he broke his derailleur. So I'm just gonna replace that real quick. And we do big repairs, we do little fast repairs here at Schlegel. We do it all. And I just wanted to show you some how-to videos on everyday things. We have customers that come in all the time wanting to have clinics and stuff like that. Well, we stay so busy all the time that it's kind of hard for me to just stop doing what I'm doing. So if you would like to come in and watch or just watch these videos, I'm going to try to post them right after I film on Tuesdays at noon. If you would like to see what goes on in here, then check in or just come by. You're always welcome. And the first thing we just got to do is just take this old one off. And then before I put the new one on, I'm going to suspect that this piece right here might be a little bit bent. I don't know why this happened to this derailleur, but I'm going to just try to do everything I can to prevent the new one from doing the same thing. So we got a tool here. It's a derailleur hanger gauge. It straightens out the derailleur hanger. Just kind of screw it in just like you would a derailleur. And what I like to do is start in one place, and I can tell you, I don't know if you can see how it's going. You can tell that it's not straight up against the rim. So I'm just going to very carefully, because this is a piece of the frame itself. So if I broke it off, it would be pretty much done for this bike. But it's steel, and steel is real malleable. It bends really easy. It's looking pretty good. Yeah, these steel hangers are real easy, real soft, real easy to bend. So what happens is if you lay your bike over, you'll bend that hanger, you'll bend this piece right here, and if you don't get that straightened out and you just keep riding, stuff like this will happen. You'll shift into the spokes and it'll just rip the derailleur off. Sometimes it'll do damage to this, and if it did damage to that, then you're pretty much done. Damage the wheel. So that's something you really need to pay attention to and take care of quick if you lay your bike over. Well, what we're going to do is just going to start piecing it back together. Cut a little bit of that cable off, I think. See that right there? Make sure you slide it off of the cable itself when you cut the housing. You don't want to cut the cable and you have to reroute the whole cable. It's kind of nice whenever you can cut some of that off too, because now I've got this cable right here that's kind of frayed on the end a little bit, but I'm still going to be able to make it work. It should work just fine. Just gotta make that end real nice and clean. Put this back through here. To kind of go through here, just like that. Oh, that's good. Now, before I go further, now I'm gonna put the chain on the derailleur. And on this one, I mean, really all you have to do is just unloose these jockey wheel screws a little bit. Take one of them completely out. And make sure you grip all that and keep it all together. You don't want to lose any of the pieces. Just kind of thread it through there. Make sure you hold up all the pieces to that jockey wheel all together. Just kind of line up that hole. I've got the screw right here in my hand. Make sure you tighten this one back up too, because when you move them around, it kind of loosens it up. Alright, now we've got that. Just kind of pedal it around, make sure it's all on there. And now, before I hook up the cable, I'm going to set the limit screws on here, make sure it doesn't go too high or too low. And you got a high and a low limit screw right here. These control the derailleur. They keep the derailleur from going too far one way or the other. So they keep it going from too far down into the frame or outside of the frame. That seems pretty good. Now I can do is I'm just going to push this over. So right now it's not even getting over to the very lowest gear. So I'm going to loosen that off a little bit. That looks pretty good. And what you want is just straight, as parallel as you can get underneath there. And once you got that, the rest of it's just cable tension. So I'm going to hook the cable up and we should be pretty much ready to go with this whole repair. Now, you just got to run through the gears, maybe adjust the barrel a little bit. That limit needs to be just a little bit more out. That wheel's really out of true, isn't it? I can see it. Put a crimp on there. That thing is done. Again, this is the Tuesday Tune at Noon. I'm your host, Daniel Mesa. We're here at Schlegel Bicycles, 900 North Broadway in Automobile, Oklahoma City. Automobile Alley, Oklahoma City. If you would like to come down and be a part of the audience, that you're welcome to come down. But from here on out, over and out, see you later.